Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete message on Google Chat. So I have opened my Google Chat and I'm going to delete one of my message with my friend one step. So I'm going to click on the conversation first. You guys also need to click on the chat which you want to delete with your friend. And inside of your chat, you need to select the message which you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete the message which I sent, which is like, saying sure. I'm going to hold on sure. Once I hold on sure, as you guys can see, sure is being highlighted, and under sure there are multiple options. So I'm going to click on delete, and it's saying over here other people can see that message was deleted. So I'm going to click on delete. So my friend one step is going to know that I deleted a message, and if he hadn't seen that message, he's not going to know what that message was. He was just going to know that the message was deleted. But that's how you guys can delete a message. But you can only delete the message which you sent. If I try to delete the message my friend sent, I cannot do it. I can just reply to it or copy it or forward it to other friend. So you can only delete the message which you sent. So that's how you guys can delete messages in Google Chat. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.